Page 216. This is the exercise at the top of the page. I guess it's an exercise, I don't know. We're doing harmonization. We're harmonizing to a given melody, like in a fake book. Sometimes they give you the chords, sometimes they don't. Who knows? So first, let's make sure we got the melody down. One flat, or it's either an F major or D minor. And we're studying minor. I'm guessing we're in minor. It ends on a D. A lot of times a piece will end on a tonic, or it's one. Doesn't have to, but a lot of times it does. Some people say, well, look at the beginning, but a piece I've found doesn't necessarily begin on its one chord or tonic, but it usually ends on it, even though it doesn't have to. 2/4 time, there's eighth notes everywhere. Just go slow. 1 and 2. We changed hand positions on the repeated A's. We've done that. Don't forget the B flat, it's in the key signature. Scratch up, A. Reach up. And then 4. See, if I take measure 8 and 9, all of those notes is simply a G minor chord, a broken chord in second position, extended. That's the fingering, and I do use a 4 on the B flat. A, little finger. So that's the melody, more or less. May have to play it through a few times to really hear it. Then I see if I can figure out what these chords are. Starts out with a D minor chord. I'm just going to play block chords for now. And then we have a G minor chord here, but they want the D on the bottom. So here. So it's a 4 chord. Again, D minor with a D on the bottom. D minor. Well, this is fun. Measure 7, it's an A7 chord, which is here. Remember, in D minor, the 7th step is a C, so we're going to raise it and use harmonic minor. We're using C sharps. So in A, I'm using the C sharp. That's the 7th chord, but they want the C sharp on the bottom. So I'll put that up. And again, we're not using all the notes. It's this. Because all the notes would be that. We're not using that note. So that's measure 7. It's A7 with a C sharp on the bottom. It's a 5/7 chord. G minor with a D on the bottom. Yeah. So basically we got the primary chords. So then I want to hear the harmony with the melody. And again, I'm just playing block chords because all I want to hear is the harmony here and how it fits with the melody. I'm going to play it with each measure here. Sounds okay? Yeah, all right. I always check it. Does it really sound okay or not? Now then, it's suggesting a broken pattern for you in quarter notes. Okay. Well, I suggest you just do a half note on the last one. Sound okay? Yeah. Then you try and play it a little more musically, because now I'm just playing note, 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 note. I want to hear the melody. These chords need to be soft, and it's fast, so it says. Well, good luck with that. The eighth notes are going to slow it down a little bit, but it has a fast feel to it. Whatever, that's my fast for now. Now they want you to transpose this to E minor. Well, forget fast. We're in D minor. We're going to go up one note to E minor. E minor is relative to G major. G major is 1 sharp, therefore E minor has 1 sharp. However, we're going to raise the 7th step up and we're going to use D sharps instead of Ds. So the chords are that, and then we're up. We're basically using the same fingers. 4 chord, 4 chord, and here, octave, again, I missed 1 note, bummer, but you get the idea of what I'm doing. I'm just playing the same fingers. Could try and read the notes in the music there in the melody and just mentally take each note up 1 note. So instead of a D, I'm playing an E. So instead of A's, I'm playing B's. You can try that too. If you're going farther away, you have to think maybe the interval. Because this, I'm just going up by steps in the key. So whatever key I'm in, I could do that. So maybe instead of, let's see, we're in D minor and E minor. So maybe I go to A minor again. And I just do that. Now up a third, second, and then down a third, down a third, and then scrunch up, so up a third, and you do it again. So I could go up and down by a second or third or whatever the melody is doing. If it goes up a second, I go up a second. If it goes up a third, I go up a third. And I can do it that way too. And the chords, you're just playing the primary chords. There, you can do that. Whatever. You get the idea? Yeah, have some fun.